everyone, I'm Luana. Welcome back to it.We channel's episode about the daily maintenance. Today, we're going to head over to the long-term maintenance in order to extend the lifespans of your laser equipment and the perfect function. Okay, now let's get started. Check if the water tank needs to be refilled with coolant. In the first step, screw down the screws on the right cover plate. Unplugging the lamp bar socket, the limit socket, and the bottom connector. And gently remove the right cover plate. The second step is to find the water tank. Unscrew the box. Cover. Align the operating to add coolant. Add the right amount. Tighten the box cover. Put the right side cover back into the machine. Connect the light bar, limit, and the bottom interface in turn, and screw it on. Clean the stains during the laser working. If your laser has been working for a long time and has left a stain on the machine, you could wipe it down with alcohol or foam cleaner. Prepare a rag, alcohol or foam cleaner. Pour the alcohol or foam cleaner on the rug and wipe the stain. If the stain cannot be wiped off again, you can soak for a while. Let the alcohol or foam cleaner stay for a while. After cleaning, do not leave the water drops, but keep them dry. Safety precaution: glasses protection and fire protection. Glasses protection. Cloud laser equipment have dust cover as well as glasses cover protection. If there is a need to take off the dust cover, observe the laser work. If you are worried about the strong light damage to your eyesight, you can put on the laser protection glasses. Fire protection. If the parameters in the preceded materials are not set properly, or if an inappropriate flammable materials are preceded, you should immediately stop processing and cut off the power to the machine to stop the spread of fire. Prepare a spare fire extinguisher or fire blanket if possible. Do not leave your machine unattended. It is recommended to consult with the staff or search for related information when processing some uncommon materials. Check the filter situation to see whether to replace the filter layer. Open the filter cover. Take out the filter layer, check the filter layer, see whether the front and the rear sides turn black. According to the processing time and the smoke exhaust effect to decide the filter layer replacement. Guide a reel with the white special grease to hashtag in what state should be added. Push the y-axis forward and backward if the drag increases or stops. White special grease can be applied evenly on both sides of the guide rail to hashtag. That'll be all today. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you give a big thumbs up and share this video with somebody in need. I guess I'll see you guys next time.